Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from the series How Do I? And today it's going to be how do I assist other stylists? My first assistant job was what was considered an internship because it wasn't paid, but it was when I lived in New York and I responded to a Craigslist ad and it ended up being Joanne Blades. And then from there I met other assistants, other interns. Whenever they had a job that they couldn't fulfill, they would recommend me. And that's how I started getting other assistant jobs. How you can assist other stylists. One way is to directly reach out to the stylist. I think it's more professional it being over email than a DM. Also shows them that you're professional too and you're serious about it. Do your research on stylists whose work you admire and really like and love their aesthetic, even like their personal style. Follow them, keep up with their work, reach out to them, stay in the loop with their stories because they're always posting things. And once you start assisting, they may recommend you to another stylist that they know. Another way is reaching out to agencies who represent stylists whose work you really like. Reach out to their agent, which is usually on their Instagram or even on their website. Let them know like, hey, I want to start assisting so-and-so. Or if you're open to anyone, then let them know like, hey, I'm open to assisting anyone, and leave a resume. Assuming you're just starting out, so you don't have that resume, but this is when you can start building the resume too. So let them know like, I'm just starting out, I want to intern. The difference between interning and assisting, yes, internships is like usually through a school, but it's also for free. And then assisting, you're getting paid. When you get paid as an assistant, you're getting paid after you've been doing it for maybe like 3 to 6 months or even more. It depends on the stylist. Another way is actually assisting or interning for other upcoming stylists who need assistance on set, because we always need help on set. Like, it's a lot of stuff to handle. Another new way that it just popped in my head now that I feel like you can do too. A lot of the times stylists, well, hopefully a lot of them, like some don't, but some do, but most of them do. When they post their work, they'll tag who assists them. Maybe reach out to that assistant through email or a DM and say, hey, how did you get the job? Like, kind of get their input. And I'm always looking for interns and assistants too. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My email is in the description. Be ready for a lot of work, a lot of emails, a lot of running around, a lot of long hours, whether that's long hours assisting prepping during the day or even wrapping up a shoot afterwards with like returns and all of that. And even on set days can be long. Just, it's not your regular 9-to-5 job. And I'm not saying this to scare you guys. It's the truth. There's so many different personalities that you're going to work with. There's so many different types of stylists that you're going to work with. So not everyone's the same. That's why I feel like you're always learning, because everyone's different. Like, there's basics to styling, yeah, but then you start taking on like your own way of doing things. There's going to be some crazy moments. There's going to be stressful moments. There's going to be some hard moments. There's going to be some really fun moments. There's going to be breakthrough moments. Oh, it's going to go like this. And when you do assist an intern, just be really committed and dedicated to assisting. Like, don't be lazy. Like, if you really don't want this, then don't do it. Like, give it to someone else who really wants it, but really be committed once you commit to a stylist. Take initiative, be on time, listen, and be nice, and do everything with the heart of like gratitude and like a servant's attitude. And this is your field where you're gonna learn everything, is when you're assisting. This is like hands-on training that's for free, that you don't have to go to a class for and buy books for. You're literally learning this stuff for free. I really hope this video helped you out on how to assist other stylists. So if it did, be sure to like, share it with other people who may be interested, and subscribe for more.